Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
This podcast is for English beginners.
Yes, we use easy English. Short sentences, simple words.
Please relax. You don't need perfect English.
Just listen, then learn, then try.
Today's topic is daily questions.
Daily questions are questions we ask every day, at home, with friends, with family.
For example, what do you eat for breakfast? What time do you wake up? Do you drink coffee?
These questions help you speak more confidently.
Before we start, a quick reminder.
If you like this podcast, please subscribe and follow us.
Okay, let's begin.
Let's start with the morning.
Here is a very common question. What time do you wake up?
Listen again.
What time do you wake up?
Now, repeat with us.
What time do you wake up?
Great job!
Here is a simple answer. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Repeat.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice work!
You can change the time.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 8 a.m.
Your turn. Pause and answer.
Very good. You're doing great.
Now, let's talk about breakfast.
Here is a common question. What do you eat for breakfast?
Listen carefully. What do you eat for breakfast?
Repeat. What do you eat for breakfast?
Good job!
Here are some easy answers.
I eat bread.
I eat rice.
I eat eggs.
Repeat.
I eat bread. I eat rice. I eat eggs.
Very nice.
Now, let's add one more sentence.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Repeat.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Great! Now let's talk about drinks.
Here is the question. What do you drink in the morning?
Listen. What do you drink in the morning?
Repeat.
What do you drink in the morning?
Nice work.
Here are easy answers. I drink coffee every morning.
I drink tea every morning.
I drink water every morning.
Repeat together.
I drink coffee every morning. I drink tea every morning. I drink water every morning.
Excellent.
Now you try.
Great. Keep practicing. Now, let's talk about daily activities.
Here is the question. What do you do at home?
Listen.
Both. Slowly. What do you do at home?
Good.
Here are some simple answers. I watch TV.
I cook food.
I clean the house.
Repeat.
I watch TV.
I cook food.
I clean the house.
Nice job.
You can also say, I do it every day.
I watch TV every day.
Repeat.
I watch TV every day.
Simple English. Very good English.
Now listen to a short conversation.
Listen first. No speaking. Hi, Tom. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
What do you drink?
I drink coffee every morning.
Great.
Now let's try again slowly.
Now it's your turn. Answer the questions.
What time do you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you drink in the morning?
Excellent! You're doing great.
Now let's talk about the evening.
Here is the question. What do you do in the evening?
Repeat. What do you do in the evening?
Good.
Easy answers.
I watch TV in the evening.
I read books in the evening.
I relax at home.
Repeat.
I watch TV in the evening.
I read books in the evening.
I relax at home.
Very good.
Now, let's talk about feelings.
Here is an easy sentence. It makes me happy.
Repeat.
It makes me happy.
Nice.
Examples. I drink coffee every morning. It makes me happy.
I watch TV in the evening. It makes me happy.
Short sentences are okay. You are learning well.
Let's review today's key sentences.
Please listen and repeat. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat breakfast every morning. I drink coffee every morning. It makes me happy.
Amazing work today.
Practice a little every day.
Now a fun question for you.
What do you drink every morning?
And what time do you wake up?
Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your answers.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing.
See you next time.